Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see who viewed your Instagram highlights. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to see who has viewed your Instagram highlights, you can simply tap open your Instagram. Once you have done this, you can simply go to your profile, and in your highlights section you can simply tap on any of the highlights you want to see. So once you have tapped on, you can simply tap on activity. So once you tap on activity, you can only see the person that has liked your particular highlight. So the thing is, you can only check people who has seen your highlight for a specific period of time. Once the 48-hour duration of your story has exceeded, you cannot actually see who has seen your highlights, but you can see who has liked your highlights. So for this, you can simply tap on activity and check through it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.